will be to County Fair. Next to Goliath, there's actually no eating, drinking, or smoking while on this ride. Enjoy your ride.
Again, they're thwarting my plans. My
Welcome
neck.
to the Six Flags Scenic Railway. Our next destination is County Fair. As we leave Hometown Station, you'll see the carousel turning round and round. Visit the Columbia, the world's tallest and grandest carousel. With over 100 hand-painted carousel animals, the Columbia Carousel is great for the whole family.
Yep, either no one got out.
The aura of the new
Was that the girl who found the phone?
is apparent. To your left
I think
is
it was.
Superman, Ultimate Flight. Fly like the Man of Steel himself on this high-flying roller coaster. With arms stretched forward and feet trailing behind, passengers fly
Superman is going.
like never before.
Yep, it is.
Sailing
That's
through
good to know.
sharp dives, high-banked curves, and spirals uniquely designed to enhance this flying experience. Also to your left is the Dark Knight Coaster. This indoor family roller coaster takes you on a trip through Gotham City as it's being terrorized and torn apart by the Joker. As you attempt to escape, your only hope is that Gotham's silent guardian, Batman, can save you. Continue your adventure with a trip to Mardi Gras. Let the good times roll as Six Flags Great America brings the biggest party in New Orleans straight to you. Every member of the family will find something for them, whether you're looking for head-over-heels thrills on King Chaos, family fun on the Big Easy Balloons, or a whitewater rafting adventure on Roaring Rapids. Looming over Yankee Harbor is the Joker, our 15th thrilling coaster adventure. On this wicked new adventure, you'll soar outside the track in wing cars facing other riders as you travel up a 90-degree elevator-style lift 120 feet into the air. You'll somersault along the horizontal plane, dropping down 2 free-fall Raven drops, and experience at least 6 weightless head-over-heels flips.
At least 6 flips? No, I'm sorry. You got that one wrong. Hang to
Specially catered meals are available to groups of 100 or more. Beautiful gardens and shade trees provide a relaxing atmosphere for company picnics, group outings, and family gatherings. Stop by Guest Relations for more information on how Six Flags...
there goes a boat on Rapids. There comes a raft. See if they get blasted.
And you have all the fun.
I heard the scream. It worked. Yes.
Water rides take you on a twisting and turning journey before ending with a spectacular 60-foot splashdown. Between these water rides is vertical velocity. Here, thrill seekers are suspended under a steel track and are fired out of the station, reaching 70 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds. They rocket up a 185-foot spiral tower before switching backward through the station and up a second tower. On your right, just past vertical velocity,
looking back behind the fence, see if there's anything cool. When you focus, you can see stuff.
Camp Cartoon is a fantasy land themed after timeless cartoon characters like the Flintstones, the Jetsons, and Scooby-Doo. And home of Spaceland Sprocket Rockets, a kid-sized roller coaster. Yukon Territory is also home to Little Dipper. The historic family coaster, formerly of Kiddieland Amusement Park, joined our Six Flags Great America family in 2010. Operating at Kiddieland since 1950, Six Flags Great America is proud to be keeping the history alive for years to come. In County Fair, check out Kidsopolis, featuring 5 rides and 2 play areas designed for the entire family. With such an incredible collection of thrill rides, Six Flags Great America...
I can see Jester's look. If you look through, you see Jester's wild ride. I know, but it's cool. I still miss Jester's.
For family-friendly Dark Knight coaster, millions of guests enjoy the rides you know and love.
Really well.
Returning this season is Goliath, a giant among coasters. It looms over County Fair to your right. This record-breaking thriller boasts the record as the world's tallest, steepest, and fastest roller coaster.
The mule is no longer over.
We are now approaching the county fair station.
One of the trees came in and hit me.
To a complete stop. Thank you for riding the Scenic Railway, and thanks for visiting the cleanest theme park in
Any
the
more
world.
phones?
On behalf of Six Flags Great America, we thank you for being a part of our history.
Remember when we used to ride the train? It would be like, oh, we got to get a cool shot of Goliath. That was like the newest thing.
Have a great day.
There's the goal.
That's her till 2. That's her 7 to 2. Yeah.
Excuse me, you have to go hands-free on the Scenic Railway. What is? You have to go hands-free.
As the train slowly starts to slow down, please just remain seated. I will let you know when it's safe to exit. At this time, I just ask that you remain seated with your arms and legs inside the train, and I will let you know when it's safe to exit. Thank you.
Hey, there's Matt right up there.
Oh my god!
Once again, just remain seated.
Dude! Florida!
All right,
Oh, Matt and Jeremy, how funny.
Right there.